Now we can reset and move on to the next task. As you can see, the next task is to search for the pattern with a mathrm command and replace it with an expression with tsub command. So like earlier, you first select your search pattern. Clicking on this button here will populate the text in both the text areas. Now the condition for our search is that it should be applicable for any single digit. We now know that the regex for matching any single digit is \d. So we replace 4 with the regex \d. Moving on to the replacement string, we need to modify it to the pattern specified in our task. So we edit it accordingly. Now in the place of 4, we need to use the argument that is specified in our search pattern. Since there is only one argument in our search, we replace 4 by $1 so that we'll get the value. Clicking on apply will list all the cases which matches with our search expression, the number of such instances, and the expression it will be replaced as. If you take a look at the third task, you'll see that it's an extension of the second one. The only difference is that you'll have to make it applicable for single as well as multiple digits. Now the regex to match single and multiple digits is \d+, so we'll simply add a plus sign to our argument here in order to cover the third task. Clicking apply will return for you all the patterns where multiple digits are included. The number of occurrence of each pattern is listed under number. If you want to commit your changes, you can click on the commit button. All the matched patterns will be replaced with the new text. Now resetting, we'll move on to our fourth task. This task is slightly different in that, in this case, we need to swap the order of the arguments. Like before, select the expression to be searched and click Insert button. Here you want to replace A and B with any single uppercase alphabet. By now, we know that the corresponding regex for this is A hyphen Z within square brackets. You need to enclose this within simple parentheses to store the values. Now our task is to modify the search pattern into a format where the second argument of the search pattern should come in the first place and the first argument in the second place. So in our replacement string, we modify the expression with $2 and $1 respectively. Now click apply. All the matched cases will be listed. You can also see what each search pattern will be replaced as. Click on commit button to proceed with the replacement.